Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential travel accessory that could change the way you pack for your adventures, the SUITEDNOMAD Ultralight Packing Cube Set. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The SUITEDNOMAD Ultralight Compression Packing Cube Set is designed to help you organize your luggage efficiently. This set includes one extra-large cube measuring 16 by 12 by 1 inches, two large cubes at 15 by 11 by 1 inches, two medium cubes at 11 by 8 by 1 inches, and a clear quart-sized toiletry bag measuring 7.7 by 5.9 by 2.5 inches. This variety of sizes allows you to separate your clothing, toiletries, and other essentials easily, making packing a breeze. One of the standout features of this packing cube set is its double-zipper compression system. This clever design allows you to vacuum out excess air from the cubes, making them incredibly compact. So, if you're trying to save space in your suitcase or backpack, these cubes can really help maximize your packing efficiency. Durability is another key feature that sets the SUITEDNOMAD packing cubes apart. They are crafted from water-resistant and breathable ripstop nylon, ensuring that your clothes and gear are protected, no matter what kind of adventure you embark on. You won't have to worry about these cubes ripping mid-trip, thanks to the reinforced seams and smooth-acting zippers, which can handle the load, even when the cubes are packed to the brim. So, who is this product suitable for? The SUITEDNOMAD Ultralight Packing Cube Set is perfect for both men and women who travel frequently, whether you're flying overseas for a family vacation or heading out on a weekend camping trip. They're also a great choice for anyone who enjoys hiking, backpacking, or even long road trips in an RV or car. If you find yourself struggling with disorganized luggage or constantly losing track of your belongings, these packing cubes can streamline your packing process significantly. Let's dive into some practical use cases. Imagine you're preparing for a 2-week trip to Europe. With these packing cubes, you can categorize your clothes by outfit or activity. You can have a cube for formal wear, another for casual outfits, and a separate one for your workout clothes. This way, all you have to do is grab the cube you need, and everything is neatly organized. Or, if you're a parent traveling with kids, you can assign each child their own packing cube for their clothes and toys. This not only keeps everyone's items organized but also makes unpacking a lot simpler when you reach your destination. The clear quart-sized toiletry bag is another thoughtful addition. It allows you to easily store and access your toiletries without digging through your luggage. Plus, since it's clear, you can quickly see what you have without needing to open it, which is especially helpful at security checkpoints. In summary, the SUITEDNOMAD Ultralight Compression Packing Cube Set is a practical and well-designed travel organizer that simplifies the packing process, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. With its durable construction, efficient compression system, and versatile sizes, this set is a must-have for anyone who travels frequently. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.